going on, guys? It's AJ, and I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. It's because I've been practicing. I've been busy practicing strategy and whatnot. But today I made $700. Oh wow, that is extremely small. I made $700 today on gold, and I'm gonna break down. I'm gonna do a recap on how I made $700 using the ICT Silver Bullet method. Okay. So right now I'm on the Express account. I just passed my funded not too long ago. Got my Express, and today was actually my first trade on the Express, and it was a W. So I'm grateful for that. So I'm gonna clear out all the drawings so I can just break it down to you again, like fresh. So what I do at at 9 to 10, 9 to 10, that hourly time frame, I mark out the high and I mark the low. Okay. This is this for only for this candle. 9 to 10. Okay? 9 to 10. I then go down to the 1 minute. I wait for that hourly candle to close and open the new candle, which is the candle we're currently still on. Basically, what I'm saying is I won this trade within a matter of less than 20 minutes. So I'm already done for the day. Okay? So I wait for the hourly candle from 9 to 10 to close, right? Now, what we see here are the highs and the lows right here. At 9:32, gold was at its highest point within the hour. Oh, and at oh wow. Wait, am I tweaking? Maybe this is not the low. Where is Oh my god. Oh, okay. So low's actually right here. At Oh yeah, okay, I remember. This was the low. Okay? Sorry for that. So we're waiting at until 10 o'clock. Boom. 10 o'clock hits. Then 10 o'clock at 10:02, 2 minutes after, it takes out the low. So you see this? The low connected with this, with the next hour. So that means my bias is longs for today. Because it hit this candle, I'm looking for longs. Awesome. Got it. Now, previous, I use previous day confluences, which is honestly kind of market experience. I don't want to sound like a guru or something, but it really was like okay, I see it. This might be a bang bang play. You know what I'm saying? Like I guarantee this might hit. Okay, so what we had here was BPR. BPR is essentially a fair value gap, this fair value gap, and an inverse fair value gap. This small range of two gaps is called BPR. I saw this BPR on the hourly time frame. I'm like, well, if this closes and it gives us BPR and it takes out this liquidity and it fills this fair value gap, we're making bread, bro. We're making bread. And unfortunately, that's what happened. Now, I know this 1 hour BPR is here. The purple box is the purple BPR. Okay. So when it took out the 9 to 10 a.m. lows, it also slightly entered the 1 hour BPR. So I was like, oh, okay. And then I had my enter off the BPR, and then I had my stop loss. Oh man, where's my stop loss? I want to say I know it's below the BPR. I want maybe at the start of this, maybe at the start of this gap right here. Honestly, I don't remember. Okay, and then where's my take profit? I looked at the 3 minute for my take profit. I had a 1 to 2 ratio set up. I was ready for about a 1 to 2, but you see this fair value gap, this BPR. I was low key a little worried that once it entered this fair value gap right here, the gap between these two candles, three candles, I guess, it was gonna go straight down, and that is kind of what did happen. Now that I'm hindsight biased, now that it's out of that, now that I'm done, but my but so I answered off of this, and then I was like, oh man, I don't know if this is gonna go take my 2 RR profit. So I had my stop loss right here, and I was able to hit it. I exited out right there, and that was plus $700. Okay, I'm sorry if my explanation is not good because I don't know. I'm just new to YouTube videos and explaining this and teaching this. But just to break it down simply one more time for you guys, I use previous hour confluences. That's BPR, and I used it to my advantage when it took out the lows of the 9 to 10 a.m. and I answered off of that, which gave me a 1 to 1.5 uh risk to reward ratio. Now, 2 to 2, I mean 1 to 2 RR would have hit. It would have hit, but like I said, I was worried, and I can't let it worry me. I can't let it worry me. That's something I'm working on, okay? But a win is a win at the end of the day, okay? After that, market did actually respect this BPR. Actually respected it. And as you see, market went straight down. Had I waited for had I had a stop loss up here, I would likely be out. I mean, time's not over yet. It ends at 11. 7 more minutes. But let's be real. Just by looking, I seriously doubt that this is gonna go all the way up here. So in my like, it's better to have a 1 to 2 than like try to go for the 1 to 4 and be less certain. You know, it's not that serious for me to get this 1 to 3 risk to reward right now. I'm perfectly happy with this 1 to 1.5 ratio. And if it keeps working, then that's what I'm going to keep doing. Now, there will probably be a time in the future where I want to risk more so I can get more. But at that point right now, $700 sounds good to me right now. You know what I'm saying? That sounds good to me. And it's good for me to have bigger goals than that. But I need to have a process getting there. So basically, with all of that being said, man, today was my first trade on my Express account. I need 4 more days of $200 profitability to get my first payout. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed my first video. I hope my mic is better. Okay, if you watch my previous videos, you know how horrible my mic is. I'm hoping this mic isn't as bad. This is a Yeti microphone, and last time I used my headset microphone. So let's hope that's better, man. Thank you for watching. Once again, the strategy I use is the ICT silver bullet method. If you aren't familiar, if that doesn't sound familiar, search it up. There's several videos, and I'm not gonna say it's easy, but I will say I did understand it really well, and I put a lot of time into it. So if you want my honest advice, please go learn ICT silver bullet. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching. Catch you guys on the next video.